Hey, welcome to Mealing Racing. I'm back at 4Function here, and the Cadillac right there that I sold in the spring to my buddy Alan is on the dyno. They did ID1000s, dual 450s, mid pipes, and a couple other things, suspension and stuff, and just getting a retune on HP tuners. It just had a Diablo flash before. It used to make 530 horse and 475 foot-pounds, and so far it's up quite a bit, so we'll see how it does here. And so far it's making quite a bit more power and torque than it was before, even though it's actually getting 2 pounds less boost now with those new mid-pipes. So looks like the good custom tune and getting rid of the can tune is a good idea. So far 560 horse, 581 pound-feet. Only made 475 before, so a little bit of timing. It was throwing a lean code because of the dual 450s, or not a lean code, fuel code. The PWM, the pumps isn't working anymore, but we pulled the fuse and it seems to have worked. Dropped 30 horse and 30 foot-pounds. Pound-feet. That's up almost 100 foot-pounds over what it was on the can tune, and about 30 horse with, I think it's mainly the mid-pipes that are doing that. That's the only real performance mod they've done. And it's down to 2 PSI from that, so that's kind of cool. Went from 12 down to 10 and picking up 30 horse and 100 foot-pounds with a better tune and some mid-pipe. Fuse fixed the code it was throwing and did not change the AFRs, so I'm going to do another run here. Sounds good. 568, 576, pretty consistent. Then I'll smooth that graphic. That was almost identical.
It's really consistent. Yeah, like 1 degree. Right up the threshold. I haven't
Yeah.
tap at 35 and then a tap at 55, so we're right on that.
Yeah, and you're within 1 horsepower and 1 foot-pound of the previous run. Alright, so it was hitting the limiter like just before 6. It was like, I don't know, some soft limiter or bullshit. Anyways, we've upped the limiter to see if it'll make a little more power. I'm gonna back up because it's super loud. Didn't go any further. Alan showed up He's still trying to up the rev limit. It's like hitting a per gear rev limiter, so he upped the like engine rev limit, but it still hit a wall at 129.9 miles an hour. Still that same spot, eh? Somebody's gonna tell us we're a bunch of idiots. It's an easy way to fix this. Alright, so he's still trying to figure out why it's hitting the limiter at the exact same spot. Still doing good, so can't get this figured out. We'll figure it out later. You may have found the problem with the speed limiter. We'll find out. Try to make it so you can see the screen again. So it pretty much was making 560s and 570s torque for the last 5 or 6 pulls in a row. So we're gonna leave her there because we can't get the limiter any higher.
Thanks for watching. Work, we'll have to go cruise around and get all the cruise stuff set.
Yeah.
The fuel system changed all that quite a bit. So,
Yeah.
but all the wide open stuff's done. It's I was battling like right where it's making peak torque. I was battling with like slight amounts of knock, like very small amounts. So like we were capped out on the fuel because when it was like cold, I had to run like earlier on, even when it was a bit leaner. It liked the timing that was in it.
It's so nice to have those shocks in place too, because it used to like literally float down the highway. I'm like, oh, maybe it's just supposed to do that.
Because yeah, if I had a way of dropping boost at like 35, it'd be like perfect.
You
Supercharges.
so you just signal and then hit the gas and then change lanes?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what 580 foot-pounds does.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
That's
At
awesome.
10 psi boost is what it's running.
I made 10 horsepower more. No, what? What did I make? 10 horsepower more than the Talon, and 100 foot-pounds more. That's 2 liter versus a 6.2.
Right?
Yeah. / Roots supercharger.
There's some bullshit saying about displacement, no replacement, yada yada yada.
Yeah,
I guess
some
it's
bullshit
kinda
like
true,
that.
Right? Some bullshit.
Yeah. It is kind of true.
That's hard to say for a rotary guy.
Yeah.